I've made a video on 2 weeks free Nitro trial just 2 days ago and received a massive amount of views and comments full of questions. There were a few things I missed to answer that I will do in this video. I've also shown how to claim the free Nitro step by step. Anyway, before we start, it's thanks to my channel that you guys get free Nitro and Orbs news on time. Plus, you get so many advanced tutorials for free, but many of you do not subscribe. If you are just watching, kindly subscribe to the channel, and let's cross 12,500 subscribers this month. Now, let's get to the elephant in the room. The 2 weeks Nitro for free. But is it really worth it? I don't think so because my friend received 1 month free Nitro news here. But this one occurs only if you haven't had Nitro for 12 months or more. But if you want to wait for even better offer from Discord collabs with companies like Epic Games and SteelSeries Type, then you can give 2 weeks Nitro a pass. The second question is, where do I find the offer if I've already clicked off it? Well, please go to user settings and then Nitro. Here you can decide whether you want to go ahead with it or not. It's really that easy. The third question is, Pixie, I don't have a payment method. Can I use fake payment method? Well, no. If you don't have a payment method, then go and ask your parents. If your parents deny your request, then forget about the offer. Don't go around begging me and others to get free Nitro for you. The fifth question is, Pixie, is this Nitro available in all the countries? Nope, it's not. It's not available in Russia, Turkey, Syria, Palestine, Ukraine, and Iran. If you are from one of these countries, then this offer is not for you. Now, this begs the question, why would Discord give away 2 weeks free Nitro? Maybe they want your payment info. Not in a bad way. Big companies generally do that, and you can choose to remove it later. Or they want you to purchase their profile decor. Or they just want you to have a taste of Nitro, so you can extend it later on by purchasing it. Anyway, watch this video if you want to know how to claim the free Nitro. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.